Flexible thinking. Rubber band thinking. What does flexible thinking mean? Have you ever been completely confused by something that someone said or did? Maybe you felt like you were missing something. Maybe you felt stuck. We all get stuck sometimes, but that's okay, because we can learn how to think more flexibly. Flexible thinking means to think like a rubber band. But how do we think flexibly? We can learn to stretch our minds so that we can see all kinds of possibilities. We let our minds be like rubber bands. But what happens without flexible thinking? If we don't use flexible thinking, our minds are not like rubber bands. We may only see one possible way of doing something. If we can't bend and see other possibilities, our brains are more like a stick. If we try to do something, like get a drink of water, we might get stuck and not be able to bend. There may be answers all around us, but we can't see them. How does flexible thinking help? Flexible thinking helps us to look at things in different ways. We can learn to understand what we hear and read, to imagine what others are thinking, and to make changes when things aren't working, and to solve problems. Wouldn't you like to learn how to stretch your mind like a rubber band so that you can do all of that? In this unit, you will learn how to flex your thinking to better understand what you see, hear, and read, and also to make changes in your strategies to reach goals and solve problems.